Greg goes good again. No, it doesn't.
Dude, shut the fuck up.
Oh!
Oh shit. Oh, dude, we got that on video. Oh, Herbs is bad. I didn't try to.
Oh, holy shit. Oh my god, Herbs. Pepper's got him knocked out.
Actually.
I'm just gonna do it across here like this.
No, do it. Bring the bed up like you do it.
Oh, Jesus.
What do you do?
I'm gonna put my shirt on and out for me.
We got that shit on video, I think.